Hey. What's up, fellas? What's up, ladies? What's going on, beautiful people of the United States of America and around the world? I'm just here coming to you guys live today. About to show you guys how to set up your own just Coinbase account and Bitcoin wallet so you can just start buying Bitcoin as soon as possible. Okay. And at least from a very reputable exchange. So Coinbase is a great one. There's also Binance.com, but I'm just going to go with the basic one. Coinbase, great for beginners, very simple. So go on Coinbase.com, and you can see here it gives you all the price of the cryptocurrencies. As you can see, Bitcoin's at $41,146. Um, you want to get started, okay? Right? So the great thing is too, guys, is that you have the opportunity to receive um, up to $167 of free cryptocurrency, right? So it's going to be different cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Regardless, guys, it's still free money. You can participate in these activities. Very simple. It's learning, education, watching videos, and stuff like that. So it's very simple. And to get started, you just put in your email. I've already got started, but you know what? Let me put in a generic email for some. Let me see. You put your email here. It asks you to create your account, right? You put your first and last name. Then you'll put your email. It's going to ask you for your password. You enter your city as well. Please, guys, make sure all the information that you put is real. They're going to check up on you. They do very thorough KYC, so know your customer information. So they're going to verify your information. I certify that I'm 18 years or older. Click this, and then boom, you click create account. And then obviously it probably will send you a link in your email. You go ahead, click that link, follow all the instructions in that link, and then you'll be able to sign in. So let me see if I can sign in right now. Let me show you what the sign in would look like. You probably would have to go through other information. Okay, I have two-step authentication here. Always, it's as soon as you guys set up your account, please set up two-step step authentication, because this prevents hackers from hacking into your account or stealing your crypto. Okay, so it even shows, we haven't really seen this computer before. Please go into your email. So I'll go into my email, if anything. And it's very secure. And their customer support is really great, guys. So if you have an issue, you can always send a ticket to them, and they'll respond, within 24 hours usually. But so this is a new device correlation here. Okay, right. So I authorize this computer. So authorizing. Once you guys set up two-step factor authentication, go in your settings. It's going to ask you to do the same thing. So make sure you have a valid phone ready, an email ready, and everything like that. So, so as you can see, guys, this is pretty much Coinbase. All right, so you'll be able to see watch lists of other cryptocurrencies. It'll show you portfolio, earn rewards. You want to go here to earn rewards. And like I said, so if you click on earn rewards here, it's going to show you what you can earn. I've earned a couple. I've earned some rewards. It was nice. I think they come out with a reward learning about cryptocurrencies. So I earned $3 in compound just by learning about it, by watching the video. videos answering some questions. It's not just free; it's just like a little mini test, so you actually know what you're watching, and you can earn free rewards, guys. So if you stop being lazy, guys, you can earn these free rewards. Also, if you get it, once you get in your portfolio, you can also exchange it for Bitcoin or whatever other cryptocurrency you want to exchange it for. Okay, so let me see, guys. So this is pretty much the back end of Coinbase. Obviously, once you sign up, it's going to ask you um, for your banking information. Enter, your if you have a debit card, pay with the debit card, and if you have online banking, please go through that. It's very simple. If if your online bank is kind of slow, try to connect to your bank as well through routing and accounting, so you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Right. So this is Coinbase, guys. Another place where you can buy cryptocurrency, very just quick off the bat. It's called xcoins.com. So let me see here. So I've bought cryptocurrency off here. Very simple. You just have to have an address, obviously, where to send it to. But once you set up Coinbase, you'll have an address where you can receive Bitcoin as well. Um, you know, Also, it has other cryptocurrencies you can buy, right? So X coins, you can buy. Why X coins? Well, you can buy with the debit card instantly. We'll send your Bitcoin within minutes of payment approval of the next transaction. So it's for, fee free. So it's very low fee. You can buy, a couple $100 worth, $5. You can buy at least $20 worth. You need to buy at least, I think, $10 or $20 worth. If I try to buy $5, I don't think it's going to let me buy it. I think it's going to say $20. Come in with at least 10 or 20. Come in with at least $20, guys, if you're coming into X Coins. Just to buy cryptocurrency, right? And then it's going to ask you to send it to an address. So if I do $50 worth of Bitcoin, it says buy Bitcoin. Boom, it's going to ask you to sign up here. So you sign up your information. Boom, you go in. Complete your profile information. Very fast verification, guys, of your information. So you go ahead and buy Bitcoin, right? So I've already signed up. Very simple. Let me see if I can sign in real quick. I don't know if I signed. Okay, I haven't signed in a long time with Xcoins. All right, so say if I wanted to buy, say $100 worth of Bitcoin, you have to enter your Bitcoin wallet address, guys. Bitcoin wallet address is simply the address where it's a receiving address, and there's a sending you're able to send address. In order to send the Bitcoin, you need a receiving address. So if somebody asks you for Bitcoin as a payment, you have to ask them for a receiving address. Let me show you what a receiving address looks like. So if we go in here, we go into my portfolio, it's going to be your portfolio too on Coinbase. You can go in and you can see Bitcoin here, right? So Bitcoin here, you can see, I've had multiple transactions in Bitcoin. That's just a lot of programs and a lot of things. A lot of companies are adopting Bitcoin, so it's the first cryptocurrency. But anyways, you click receive, and this is your receiving address, right? So if somebody says, "Hey, I want to send you Bitcoin," say, "Hey, here's my receiving address," right? Or if somebody's asking you to send Bitcoin to them, you say, "Hey, I need your receiving address." This is the receiving address, guys. So as you can see, guys, this is the receiving address that Bitcoin. This is the receiving address, easy, right? And it's going to be, if you're on Binance crypto exchange, it'll have, always just look for a receiving address with cryptocurrency, guys. That's just that simple. And it should be a key like this. It's always going to be a key. This scan code is just for phone to make it easier, but always you're going to need a key. And this is like, I think, a 64-digit key in order to receive it. Okay. So always remember that. And so if we go back into Geps Coins, if I say, what is your wallet? So if I entered this wallet here, my receiving address. Boom. That's the receiving address. I copy and paste it. Boom. That's the receiving address. And then I accept and continue. All right. And then obviously it's going to ask for your banking information. If I click accept, it's going to confirm the order, ask for your banking information, you enter it, and then you move forward. All right. So I'm not going to go through the whole process now, guys. I'm just showing you guys how to do it and where to go, and so you guys are not confused. All right. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my videos. It really helps, my channel and also the YouTube algorithm. So people can get more, informed about crypto and Bitcoin and stuff like that. It all depends who you want to listen to, but I'm here to help all the times. There's a lot of little shady things out there online, and I don't want you guys to fall into some scams. So I'm 100% real, guys. Check me out on podcasts, Spotify, Cali Speaks Truth, all one word, Cali Speaks Truth, CALI Speaks Truth. And you can catch me on Google Podcasts as well. But yeah, go ahead and I hope you guys find this informative. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you want another video on how to, set up something, definitely let me know. But I'll see you guys soon in the next one. All right. Peace out.